going on, guys? Hey, so I wanted to chat with you today. I've been talking to a lot of guys through coaching and whatnot and helping them, put plans together to grow their company. And one of the most common things I'm seeing throughout all these guys I'm working with is they have big plans to grow their company, but they're missing the one ingredient that already exists inside their business to grow it, and that's their customer base. And don't click off this because a lot of you guys are saying, well, that's pretty straightforward, but clearly it's not. So a lot of you guys have a customer base, whether it's 100 people, 500 people, 2,000 people, whatever it is, right? But at the end of the day, you're not taking advantage of those people as far as getting them to sign up with you multiple times or whatever the case may be. And so I just want to jump on here real quick to encourage you guys and let you know what we do at our company here in Michigan. And we call our entire customer base 3 times a year. So we call them in the spring, and we call them typically like 3 weeks before our season hits, right? We call them during our slow time, basically halfway through the year, which for us is August, going into September. And then we call them one more time in November, upselling them on our gutter cleaning service. So we touch our customers by phone 3 times a year. Now that doesn't include, all the email campaigns that go out and all that kind of stuff, and those are great. But there's nothing more powerful than picking up a phone and talking to your customer on the phone and just them hearing your voice and, legitimately saying, how you guys doing? Haven't heard from you in a while. We cleaned your windows last July, and, just calling to see if you want to get back on the schedule. And you would be amazed, like, how many people will say, oh yeah, absolutely, I've just been so busy I forgot, or yeah, we've been meaning to do it, we've been meaning to call you, we just haven't got around, or oh, I'm so glad you called me, I lost your number. And so a lot of you guys out there are dropping the ball. You could increase your company by 20% this year just alone by doing that, okay? So I want to encourage you guys to pick up the phone. Now, if some of you guys are out there saying, well, Matt, I don't have time to do that, I'll put my email below. Shoot me an email. I have a solution for you. But this is one thing that can increase sales instantly overnight, is if you put something this simple into effect. So hope that helps you guys. Hope you guys have a good weekend, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.